In this video, you will learn how to connect Oanda to MetaTrader 5. Open an Oanda account. Sign up on Oanda website and complete your registration. Make sure to choose a MetaTrader 5 compatible account during the setup process. Verify your identity. Submit the required documents for your KYC verification. Once you're approved, your account will be activated. Download MetaTrader 5. Install MetaTrader 5 from either its official website or on the Oanda download portal. Get your MetaTrader 5 login credentials from Oanda. Oanda will email you the following: a password, the correct server name, and your login and account number. Launch MetaTrader 5 and log in. Open MetaTrader 5, click File, then log into Trade Account. Enter your credentials. Be sure to select the exact Oanda service provided. Start trading. Once logged in successfully, your Oanda account will be successfully linked to your MT5 or MetaTrader 5 account. You can begin trading with access to charts, tools, and all MT5's features. Now you know how to connect Oanda to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.